Hi, I'm here from Aunt Em's Quilts and Em's Scrap Bag, and today I'm going to teach you how to make a snowball block. That is what these blocks right here are, and because they're set on point, gives it a different effect. These are just two different blocks in this quilt. This is my Modern Gems quilt that I made in honor of my dad. So, thanks for watching my video. Remember to like and subscribe. Let's get started. So what you're going to need for your snowball block is a square, and it's got to be, and then you're going to need 4 background squares. You want your square to be 3 times as big plus your quarter or plus your ½ inch. So if this is 3½, these are going to be 1½, or if this is 6½, these are going to be 2½. Feel free to ask me questions if that was as clear as mud and you don't get it. Okay, but what we're going to do with our background squares is we're going to take our ruler, we're going to go across diagonally, and we're going to make a diagonal mark. Can you see that very well? It's a chalk mark right along here. And we're going to do that with each of our 4 squares. Once we've got our diagonal line, we're going to place right sides together onto our square that we have. Here's our diagonal line. So it's going to run along here, and we're going to stitch on that diagonal line. And we're going to do that in each of the corners. So we'll stitch here, 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 and here. Once I get that sewn on, then I like to flip it back and make sure I'm covering my corners here. Alright, and then I will trim my seam allowance once I know that I'm covering the corners. So I put a 1/4 inch here on the seam line, and then I trim my corners. And then I'm just going to press all of that back. Then you end up with these great snowball blocks. They're fun to use. They're great on point or this way. Just mix and match, play around. I will put links to my patterns that use this block in the description below, or you can make up your own thing, but please do share what you create with me. I love to see that. Remember to tag me on Instagram at mscrapbag, or join the Facebook page and share your stuff there. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye.